I received this product for you to try, and I'm so excited to try to make few of the shapes here. It comes with all these colors. So fun. Everything is individually wrapped. There are a few of each color, so you can make a lot of different things. Once you open the modeling clay and you don't use it all, you have to put it in a baggie because it's air dry, and you don't want it to dry if you want to reuse it again. And some tools with it, and a nice little booklet with different ideas. I'll be making the little pot, but I'll make a little different with it. So I'm making a little trinket dish, and I pressed the sides up of the whole packet of black. So I'm making the dirt now. That's just tiny little balls. I'm following the instructions. I'll just modify it a little bit, and it works really nice and really quick. You can mesh it and then make a little tube, and then with all different options you can make shapes. I'll press them down to make them look like dirt, and then I'll make my flower. So this is how it comes out, but the more you condition it, the more you squeeze and work with it, those bubbles go away and it's ready to be used. It gets really nice and smooth. So I'll make it into a bowl, and then I'll make it into a tube. And then I'll cut equal sizes of the clay. And once it dries, I'll have a little trinket dish to put my rings or earrings here. Isn't that so cute? What a great idea.